Hello. 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 Is it audible? All of you. Hello. Hello. 327. Hello, Babu. Hello. Is it audible? Hello. See all of you. Is it visible? Hello. 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 303. Yugandhar. Yugandhar.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Screen.
Visible, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we start our class? Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, last class, what have you discussed? Do you know? Enana?
Microstructures of alloys, sir.
Microstructures of Alaya. No, I am
At
not
last,
talking.
sir.
Last class, what have
Before
you?
we discuss about the graphs, sir. The liquid plus solid and solid, sir.
Yes, yes. That is the phase diagram, some
As a
types.
phase diagram.
Yes. How many types of phase diagrams?
2 types, sir.
Not two types. Total already I told you, but you are not preparing anything. Okay, na? Total how many number of phase diagrams? Tell me. 7 types. 7 types of phase diagrams was discussed. Okay. Oh, please mute your cell phone, Sama. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello, can
Hearing,
you
sir.
hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just I am starting my class. Last class we have discussed that is binary isomorphous phase diagram. Next one is the eclectic. Okay, na. Today I am going to discuss briefly that is the eclectic again. See all of you here. That is the eclectic phase diagrams. Phase diagram is there. Then when you see the eclectic phase diagram, then here two metals were taken. One is the A and one is the B. That is the weight composition has given. Then here the vertical axis is the temperature lines. Then the curve, the eclectic curve, how it comes already we have discussed last class. Okay, here today I am going to discuss step by step. Just I have we have 3 lines has been drawn here. One is the Li1 and Li2, Li3. See, is it visible? Enana, Li1. Next one is
Not
the
visible, sir. Screen not visible.
screen not visible. Okay, wait. Then I will show you. Okay, now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yogandhar? Okay,
Visible,
Nana.
sir.
Okay, Nana. Just we have to discuss about today this phase diagram step by step. First, Li1. When you see Li1, this one is the eutectic composition line amma, eutectic composition. Then here few curves are there. One is that is the straight line is there. Okay na. Next two curves that intersect at one point E. Okay, is it right? Two curves intersect at one point E, that is the eutectic temperature line. Here also that composition is the eutectic composition. See, when we discuss about this Li1, see here the way solidification take place and the resulting microstructures at various stages can be studied by following the slow cooling of different alloys. The process is explained by the study of slow cooling of one, that is the eutectic composition, Li2, that is hypoeutectic alloys, and Li3 hypereutectic alloys in the figure given below. See, this phase diagram is very important. Then it will be useful in further. That is the phase diagram. That is a very important phase diagram. Iron carbon diagram. That's why all of you just take this one. Try to understand this one. Here, three series of LIs are there: Li1 and Li2, Li3. Still there. Here, Li1. Li1. When you see Li1, here 1, 2, 3, 4 points are given. First point, at point 1, the total composition, the total is liquid. Okay na? The total composition is in liquid state. Okay na? Let's see, when the temperature is decreasing, see what will happen. See, Li1 is the eutectic composition. Just we have taken simply 40A, 60B, as it is cooled from temperature T0. See, T0 is there here. Okay, now T0, it remains in liquid solution until it reaches point E. Yes. Until it reaches the point E, the total is the liquid. Yes, that is the liquid at point 1. Okay. Yes. Here it remains uniform liquid until it reaches point E. On the horizontal eutectic temperature line, that is the eutectic temperature line, horizontal one is. Since this is the intersection of liquidus and solidus lines, the liquid must now start to solidify, and the temperature cannot drop until the Li is completely solid. Yes, all of you remember this point is very important. The temperature cannot drop until the Li is completely solid. See, here the total it becomes solid. Okay na? Then the liquid will solidify into mixture of two phases. These phases are always the ones that appear at either end of the horizontal eutectic temperature line. In this case, point F, which is a pure metal A, and point G, the pure metal B. See, F at G, 2 points are there. That is the eutectic temperature line. At see, F at G, the two metals are pure, in pure state. That is okay na. When it is crossed, then it becomes, that is the that is total solid. That total solid. Okay. Okay na. In the above figure, at 1, the Li is in liquid state, and at 2, as the Li starts to solidify, it forms alternate layer of pure A and pure B. Yes. This layer microstructure is known as lamellar microstructure, and the layer are often only of the order of 1 micron. Okay, na? Micron across. The reason that a eutectic Li forms in this way has to do with the diffusion times required to form the solid. The grains grow by adding A to A and B to B until they encounter another grain. Okay, as shown in the figure. See here. That is then forms the nucleus, next crystal, next grains. That is okay. Now that process will be done total. That is the at last that fourth one is that is the microstructure of solid, microstructure of solid phase. See here, that is eucliptic means already you know very well, that is one liquid gives two solids. Okay, na? When the liquid cools, then it gives two solids, solid 1 and solid 2. That is the eucliptic mixture. When we heat that one, it becomes the two solid. When we heat, it becomes one liquid. Okay, na? Next Li is the Li2, that is the hypoeutectic alloys. Hypoeutectic alloys. The melting points of pure metals A and B, as shown as TA and TB respectively. The liquid line is TAETB, and solidus line is the TAFEGTB. Where the liquidus and solidus lines meet, the diagram resembles the cigar shaped diagram. Yes. How this one is the looking like a sugar shape. Okay, na? Sugar shape diagram. Then all of you remember this point. Okay. And since these metals are partially soluble in solid state, a solid solution must be formed. Li in this system never solidify crystals of pure A or pure B, but always a solid solution or mixture of solid solutions. Thus, the areas below melting points of pure metal A and pure metal B are the areas of single phase. Okay, na? Single phase alpha and that is the beta single phase solution. Since the solid solutions are next to the axis, they are known as terminal solid solutions. Yes. What are the terminal solid solutions? Yes. Okay, now here these are the terminal solid solution. Next, the particularly next phase diagram we'll discuss. That one is here. This terminal solid solution means two. That is two solid phases are formed. One is the alpha. That is the one is the beta. Yes, that is here. Alpha solid A. Next solid B is the beta. This one is the eutectic mixture. Solid A plus solid A plus eutectic mixture here, solid B plus eutectic mixture. At the point 60, 60-40 composition, point E, this one is the composition. Left side is the here solid A, next one is the plus eutectic mixture. Here eutectic mixture plus solid B. Okay, na? This is the total phase diagram of eutectic. Here third is the Li3. First starting above the liquidus line, that is the liquid. Okay, na? Liquid. Next one is the at point 2. At point 2, pure B only small. See here. Li3 we are discussing. Okay. Li3 at point 1 total is liquid. Then at 2 Yes, the liquid is more that it starts the solidification, that freezing that liquid. Okay, na? Yes, at three that is that when the temperature is decreasing, automatically there will increasing that that is the solid is increasing, but liquid also there. Okay, when it touches the fourth that point 4, that is euptictic temperature, then it becomes the solid. Okay, na? The solid. Okay, see here where the liquid is Li2 Li3, just we are discussing. Okay, Li3, see Li3 here at 2 point, that is pure B, just below the remaining the liquid. Next, at 3 point, the microstructure is like this. That microstructure here, the liquid is more, only few solid particles are there. Next, at 4th point, see the liquid is very less. The liquid is very less. Then at 5th point, see, then the solid is total is the solid. That is euptictic mixture. That is the euptictic mixture. This is the total phase diagram of euptictic. Okay, na? Here example is the bismuth and cadmium. Bismuth and cadmium. Then you can easily understand if you see this one. What you have discussed previous phase diagram, that is the example we have taken A and B, but here we have taken, that is two metals, that is the bismuth. Here that is the bismuth, this side that is the bismuth is pure. Here this side is the bismuth cadmium is the pure. Okay, na? Then in the same way that when you heat above the melting point temperature, that both metals, pure metals, will be in liquid state. Okay, na? When it reaches beyond the temperature, melting point temperature. Okay, after then we have to cool that liquid. Then here see, when it touches the liquidous line, then the solidification will start. Then here that is bismuth plus liquid is there, bismuth plus liquid. Then when it reaches the euptictic temperature line, the total will become, that is the solid. Okay, here that is the bismuth plus euptictic. You see that figures, when you see you can easily understand, that is that figures microstructures. Microstructures, see all of you. Hello
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Nana, see, are you able to understanding this one?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you understanding this one, what I am discussing? Okay, na? Enana,
Okay, sir.
how the microstructure changes are taking place when the temperature is decreasing. Emma, here that is example is euptictic system. What you have taken, that is bismuth and cadmium. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Okay, sir.
Hey, please respond. Please respond. Okay, na? And then I will show you here. See, Babu,
Sir.
is it visible? Is it visible?
Visible, sir.
See, what are there?
Bismuth and cadmium.
Yes,
Equilibrium diagram, sir.
Very good. Bismuth and cadmium, that is the phase diagram. That is euptictic type. See here microstructures. When you see the microstructures, it can be easily understood. Okay, na? see three already last figure we have drawn three lines, three Li series. Here also three dotted lines are there. Is it visible?
Visible, sir.
Emma, can you see? Yes. Here first one is the here Li1. At Li1 you see above the that point E. Okay na? Euctic means easily melting, amma, easily melting. Okay na? See, it becomes the solid, amma, solid. Okay, solid. See here above this point that is the liquid. Okay, in liquid state. Okay, here below this point total is the solid. The solid also that is euctic composition. Okay na, euctic composition only. Next here that series Li1 here in this series first see at this point liquid, then when the temperature is decreasing here, that is the liquid plus enana, liquid plus
Liquid,
bismuth.
yes, sir.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
See here liquid plus bismuth. Then next one is the at this point when it crossed this euctic temperature line at the last, this one is bismuth plus euctic. See, this one is the bismuth plus euctic. Okay na? In the same way, another side also, right side also, here the metal is cadmium. Emma, the cadmium here, that is the pure cadmium. Okay na? See, when you heat up to melting point temperature, behind the melting point temperature, the total will be in liquid state. Then when you cool, Emma, when we cool that one, then cooling means the decreasing the temperatures. Okay na? Then the microstructural changes, Emma, is taking place. Then I hope you are seeing that microstructures. Okay na? See at the point this one is the total liquid, amma. Then here temperature decreases, that liquid plus some dendritic structure is that structure is there. Then when it is crossed the euctic euctic temperature line, the total will be solid. That solid means that is the euctic plus cadmium. Euctic means, Nana, euctic means, can you tell the mixture of bismuth and cadmium? Bismuth and cadmium. Okay, is it right? Nana, hello.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Okay. Next one is Nana. Next phase diagram is two metals completely soluble in a solid state, but only partially soluble in a solid state. See, Nana, Yugandhar.
Sir.
Next phase diagram is
Two metals are completely soluble in liquid
soluble.
state, but only partially
Yes,
soluble in solid
completely.
state.
Yes. That phase diagram also similar to euctic type, but here only slight difference. Here terminal solutions are formed. Here, okay na? Here that is the solid reaction alpha. Okay na? Single phase. Next one is the and one more is beta at the end summa. That is the terminal solid solutions, that is here at the ends. Otherwise remaining will be that compared to euctic, and this one is the same, only except these two terminal solid solutions, remaining will be same. Okay na? Why this terminal solid solutions are formed? That is partially soluble in solid state. That's why it has been formed. Okay na? Okay, anyhow, then we have to discuss this diagram step by step. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Metai?
Anna, here also, hello, please mute your cell phones. This type of phase diagram show the partially solid solubility. In this diagram particularly, I hope you are seeing here temperature, and that is the TA, and this end is the TB. Okay, TA and TB indicate the melting points of two pure metals. Okay, yes. Next one is here TAE. TAE TB is the liquid line. Yes, here TAE TB is the liquid line. Remaining, that is TAFEGTS. This one is the solidus line. Solidus line. Okay. Yes. The line FH. See, FH means, see this one, line FH, and this side is the G, GB. These two are the FH. That is the GH also. See here GJ. Okay, show the at with the decreasing the temperature, the maximum amount of solute can be dissolve decreases. Okay, dissolve decreases. Okay, that is the phase diagram that lines are. Okay, now next here, what we have discussed in previous, here also, then we have to draw that few lines. Okay, to understand we can easily. That's why I have drawn these lines. That is the Li. First one is the here Li1. Next one is the Li2. Yes, Li3, Li4. That lines has been drawn here. Okay, now.
Sir,
Anna, tell me, Babu. Hello, tell me, what do you want? Hello, what do you want? Tell me first. Do you have any doubts? Okay, few people are waiting, but time is 9:30. Still you are coming. See, this is, it seems embarrassing. Okay. Enna, Yugandhar,
Okay.
Li1. See here, Li1 is liquid line cross T1. Yes, here the temperature T1, it will begin to solidify by forming crystals of alpha solid solution that is extremely rich in A. Yes, the process continues with the liquid getting richer in B and gradually moving down along the liquid line. The alpha solid solution also getting richer in B, moving down along the solidus line. When the solidus line crossed at T4 and with diffusion keeping pace with crystal growth, the entire solid will be homogeneous alpha solid solution. Okay, this is the terminal solid solution alpha. In the same way, that other side also it will be formed. Okay, solid B also. Okay, Li2 is the eclectic point. Eclectic point. See the eclectic composition and remains liquid until the eclectic temperature is reached at point A. Since this is also the liquidus, the solidus, the liquid now undergoes the eutectic reaction at a constant temperature. That eutectic reaction may be liquid gives alpha plus alpha, that is okay na, solid solutions. Okay, this is eutectic, that is partial eutectic comma partial eutectic. Then I will show you one more figure. Yogandhar,
Sir.
Yama, see, are you able to understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana. Yes, this one is the total figure, partially eutectic, Nana, partially eutectic. See, here few lines has been drawn, that is Li1, Li2, Li3, Li4. See, why I have drawn, why the lines are being, lines are drawn for just, you will easily understand. Then here Li1, how the temperature is changing. Okay, na? When the temperature is changing, automatically there will be some changes in microstructures. Okay, microstructures. Here different phases are there. Two single phases, that is alpha beta, and alpha beta, single solid phases. Alpha beta. Next one is the liquid. Here that is the total liquid phase. Next one is that is two phases. Two phases means here liquid plus alpha, liquid plus beta. Here alpha plus eutectic, beta eutectic. Yes, here that all are phases, that are phases. See, same thing what have already discussed previous. Here, see, thus the areas below the melting points of pure metal A, pure metal B are the single phase alpha, single phase, that is, since this reaction is the solid to the axis, they are known as terminal solid solutions. Okay, na, solid solution, terminal solid solutions. See, here I hope you are seeing that figure Li1, Li1 at a point E, where the liquid lines meet at a minimum, as in type 2 is known as eutectic point, Nana. The way solidification take place and resulting microstructures at various stages can be studied by following slow cooling of different LIs as under C. This one, Li1. Li1 at point 1, see, the total is the liquid, Nana. The total is the liquid. When the temperature is decreases, then obviously there will be some solid particles. Solid particles will be formed. Yes, here that is solid plus liquid. Then keep on decreasing the temperature. Then it reaches the T4. Then there will be some large amount of solid, that is the less amount of liquid. Then when it is crossed, that is T4, then total will be that is single solid solution. Single solid solution, that is the alpha. Okay, this is Li1. Okay, in a partial eutectic phase diagram. Okay, na. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na. Have you understood this one? Yeah, na. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Next one is Li2. Same, Nana. These all are the same process. Then what you have discussed previous ones. See, the diagrams Li is the Li1, Li2, Li3, Li4, then what will you do? Just only you have to decrease the temperature. Decrease the temperature, then there will be a changes in microstructures. Okay, now first liquid is there, then the solid it starts, that is solidification. The solid means there is small portion remaining liquid, and the keep on temperature is decreasing, then there will be a large amount of solid will be formed. Okay now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, here see, you can easily it can be easily understood. Solid 3, how the phase changes took place. See, no, just all of you, just you can easily understand. At point, see first the one dot is there. Okay, now here total is the liquid amount. Okay, now at this point another that point, liquid plus solid solid. When it reaches, okay, now here that eutectic temperature line, then that is solid plus that is proectic formed here.
Sir,
Okay, na.
screen share అయిపోయింది sir.
అయిపోయిందా? Okay, I will show you. Okay, is it visible?
Visible, sir.
Okay, na. See here, that is total is solid amount. When it is crossed that eutectic temperature line, the total will be solid. Here solid means that is alpha plus beta. Okay, na. Eutectic mixture, some next one is the beta. Okay, na. Eutectic mixture plus beta. Yes, all of you understand this point. Okay, this is the total phase diagram. Next Li3. Li3 also here, that is the 60% A, 40% B remains liquid until the liquid line is reached at T3. Liquid starts to solidify crystals of primary alpha solid solution, very rich in A. As the temperature decreases, the liquid becomes richer and richer in B, gradually moving down and to the right along the liquidus line until it reaches point E. Just above the eutectic temperature T, there exist two phases. Yes, that is Li3 nana. Since the remaining liquid is at E, at point E, the right temperature and composition to form eutectic mixture. It now solidifies by forming alternative crystals of the composition appearing at the ends of eutectic temperature line. Okay, that is the F and G, the points. The temperature does not drop until solidification cools to room temperature, because the changes in solubility, okay, na, as shown by Salvos line FH and some excess precipitates, beta precipitates, okay, na, formed from the solution. Okay, see here. Okay, here then it can be seen, all of you understand this one. Okay, na? This one also in the same way what I have discussed the previous one. See, example, Nana. What is example for that is, so far what you have discussed, that is partial elliptic. Hello, Yugandhar.
Sir.
Yugandhar, see,
Sir.
is it visible?
Visible, sir.
See, what you are seeing, tell me. That is phase diagram of ಏನನಾ
Phase diagram of
tin
liquid
and lead amma. Lead tin, that is a partial elliptic example. This one is partial example. Okay na, that is tin and lead. Okay, in previous one just example I have discussed. Okay na, here that is in previous diagram pure metals I have taken. Okay, here two metals, lead and tin. Okay na, lead and tin. Yes, suppose we can take that A is B is the tin. At the starting, at the left side, that is lead is the pure 100%. Right side is tin is the 100% is the pure. Then the same way what you have discussed previous, that when you heat up to melting point temperature, the melting point temperatures of two metals is given here. That is okay na. Then that is total curve will be formed, that is solidus lines and liquidus line and solvus lines. Okay na, all the see curves are there. Here 3 Li series just is taken for explanation. Then Li1 is the total here liquid. This one is the air, total is liquid state composition, that 100% liquid amma. Then when it reaches that point E, the total becomes the solid. That is the two phases, that is the alpha beta. Yes, here two. Okay, na, alpha beta solid. Next, in this particularly below the solidus, below the liquidus and above the solidus, here beta plus liquid is there. Then here that is a solubility. Solubility is limited here. That is only that alpha that is the bismuth, that is not sorry, that is the lead is only soluble in beta is only 2.5% solubility. Okay na, the maximum solubility is the tin, that is the 97.5. Okay, this one is solid line, that is the here the beta is formed. Okay na, beta formed is the single solid solution. Here also in the same way, that is the 100% liquid at Li2 100% liquid. B, that is the then there will be some freezing, that is the solid is about to start. Then point C, that is the proectic, that means small solid particles. Okay na, small solid remaining liquid is the 76%, alpha is only 24% at D. See, all of you, when the temperature is decreasing automatically, then Nana, hello, Yugandhar,
Sir.
see how the the microstructure is changing its phases. See, here at the first one is the at A, total is 100% is liquid now. Okay,
100%
next at B, here that liquidus line amma, this B at, okay na, it touches the liquidus line. Then what will you see here? Nana, what is being seen?
Prohibited
Yes,
alpha is
there
equal
will
20%.
be some liquid and solid.
Liquid
Okay,
and
na solid
solid,
is
sir.
24%, liquid is 76%.
76%.
Okay, na. Okay, when we keep on decreasing the temperature at C point, see here, that is the alpha. Alpha is how much? Alpha is how much, Nana? 51%. That liquid is
49, sir.
liquid 49. What it means? Then when the temperature is decreasing, automatically there will be that is the decreasing
Decreasing
the
of liquid, sir, increasing of
increase
solid.
yes, increasing solid phase, decreasing
Liquid.
liquid phase. Okay na. See, finally when it reaches that point E, okay na, then total it becomes, that is solid. Solid means here, see, alpha beta. Alpha beta is there. Next, proectic. Proectic means before ectic line, what forms, what solid as formed, that is the proectic. Okay, alpha. Okay, here then at E point the proectic remaining is eutictic B, eutictic beta, eutictic alpha also there. Okay na? Yes. Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Nana.
Yes, sir.
Just time is now 4 minutes is there. Then I'm closing this class. Okay, na. One more tic temperature, partial tic phase diagram. Like this. Just all of you practice the phase diagrams. Phase diagrams. Yes. How can you draw the phase diagram? That phase diagrams can be drawn by using, that is, time temperature curves, that is the cooling curves. Okay, enana?
Okay, sir.
Cooling curve. See, from the cooling curve we have drawn this one. Okay, next one is the peritic system. Okay na, peritic system. Next class peritic next eutictoid, peritictoid. 3 phase diagrams are there. Then I will discuss the 3 phase diagrams. Okay na? Then all of you prepare this. Okay, so that is so far what I have discussed. Okay na? Yugandhar,
Okay, sir.
just I am closing this class. Okay?
Okay, sir. సార్ నిన్న గూగుల్ ఫామ్ ఏదో లింక్ పెట్టారు కదా సార్, అది మళ్ళా
చెప్పమ్మా.
తీసారు కదా సార్.
అది అది యాక్చువల్ గా అది మీకు పెట్టకూడదులే, మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఉందిగా, అదే ఫైనల్. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే. ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, దాంట్లో ఫిల్అప్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా?